Hi everybody. Question number 643, maximum average subarray 1. You're given an integer array nums consisting of n elements and an integer k. Find a contiguous subarray whose length is equal to k that has the maximum average value and return this value. Any answer with the calculation error less than 10 to the power of minus 5 will be accepted. So nums is 112 minus 5 minus 6, 50, and 30. And k is 4. So how do we do this? So we basically want to see k is equals to 4, right? So the window is this, 112 minus 5 minus 6, and look at the average of this, and then go to the next window, it's this one, and then look at the average of this, and then get the next window and look at the average, and whichever is the max you're gonna get, you're gonna return basically. So the first thing we want to do is basically get the four numbers, the four first numbers here. So basically saying total equal to 0, and say for I in range k, we want to say total plus equal to nums I. So that would give us the total, the sum of all these four. And then we want to get the average, and we will call it max average equal to the total divided by k. And so this will give us the max average of this. So it's basically the average of this, and we're calling it max average because we're gonna compare it to the average of this and get the max average anyway. So calling the first one max average would not affect anything. So it's either the other ones are bigger or lesser. If the other ones are bigger, the max average will change. If the other ones are lesser, the max average will be the first one. So now we want to, now that we got the max average of the four first ones, we want to go to the next window. So to go to the next window, we basically have to remove this number and add this number. So for that, we say for I in range k and len of nums, we were saying total plus equal to nums I. So we're adding, this is nums I, we're adding this, and we remove this number, so that is nums I minus k from the total. Okay, and then we set the average as total divided by k, and that's the total of this one and the average of this window. And then we say max average equal to max of max average and average, and whatever it is, we return that max average. And this should work. It works for this case, and it passes. And this is the answer to question maximum average subarray 1.